Before we get started with the interface and navigation in Excel, let us talk about the templates that Excel provides. So when you click on File and then Home, you can see that there are various templates. Now, if you go to the New tab, you can see some templates that you can easily use with a single click. Now from here, if you go to the New tab over here, you can see furthermore templates categorized based on the use and application. Now, for example, if you want to use Excel to analyze your budget, you can click on this Budget tab and it will open up a wide range of options for you to choose from. And if you still don't find what you're looking for, you have the search option here. So now let's go back. However, if you are still not able to find the template that you are looking for, you have the search option here where you can type in the kind of template that you are looking for. For example, let's say I'm looking for a template to create a to-do list. So I will type it here, and I'm sure that it already has some templates that can help me with that. Suppose I want the teacher's to-do list that is shown over here. So I will click on that and then click on Create. As you can see here, this opens a new workbook and it already has a default name which you can change as per your requirement. Now, apart from this, you can also create your own custom template, which we'll cover later in the course. Now, let me close this for the time being and let us move on to the Excel interfaces and navigation. The interface of Microsoft Excel is divided into several parts. First one is the ribbon, which is the main toolbar in Excel. This upper portion that you see over here is the ribbon, and the ribbon contains a number of tabs that organizes various commands and features of Excel. Let us go through these one by one. The Home tab is the one that is open by default, and you can see the various commands that are listed here. This Home tab is generally used for working with data such as formatting, editing, and sorting. The next one is the Insert tab. This tab contains the commands for inserting objects into a worksheet such as charts, pictures, and text boxes. Then comes the Page Layout. This contains the commands for formatting a worksheet such as setting page margins and printing and things like that. Then if we go to the Formulas tab, this has the formulas and functions that we can use to manipulate our data. Then is the Data tab here. And just so that you are aware, I am just giving a very high level overview as the options and commands under each tab is very extensive and going through each one of them would take a lot of time. However, you can explore it yourself and take your time to understand each command. So coming back, the tab contains the commands for working with data such as sorting, filtering, and importing data from other sources. The Review tab contains the commands for reviewing and protecting a worksheet such as checking spelling and grammar. You can also add comments, which when working with multiple people is very handy because you can put your thoughts in the worksheet as comments which the other collaborators can go through. Then we have the View tab where we have the commands for changing the view of a worksheet such as zooming in and out, hiding rows and columns, etc. And then we have the Help tab which we can use to take help when working on Excel. If you click on Help over here, you can see the Help panel opening on the right. You can put any query you have in the search bar. Suppose I want to find out the syntax of any formula, say VLOOKUP. So I will type in VLOOKUP syntax. And you can see that it helps us with the syntax using different examples. Now suppose I want to learn how to protect my worksheet. So let me first delete this and then type protect worksheet and hit enter. You can see here that it provides me with the steps on how to perform this task. Another interesting part of this help tab is the show training option, which provides you with some training videos as well that you can play to understand the concepts better. So this was a quick overview of the various tabs in Excel. Now the next is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is a small toolbar that is located at the top of the Excel window. It can be customized to include the commands that you use most often. For that, you can click here and you can see that some of the commands are checked, and those are the ones that are listed here, such as autosave, save, undo, and redo. So as per your need, you can add more commands here by checking those commands or even remove those by unchecking them. And these are the ones that are listed outside for quick access. So you can make use of the quick access toolbar to add the commands that you use the most.